So here's how to create a shop on Big Cartel. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser. Then here in the search bar you have to type in Big Cartel and then click on the very first link at the top. Then click on the open your store option from here. Now at this interface you have to scroll down and go to the sign up for free option. Then here the details of the form and click on the sign up option. After entering the details here, as you can see, it generated me URL for my shop. Moving to the next step is that you have to complete all of these steps one by one. Here you have to click on each option and then you have to follow the instructions. To verify your currency and location, click on this option and then from the left menu you have to click on the done. After that you can also add your payment details here. If you have your own domain, you can also connect your domain to your shop and then click on the save option. To add your payment details, you have to click on the payment section and after that here you have to click on the connect to PayPal option. After entering your payment details, click on the back to account option at the bottom of this page. Once you have successfully customized your store, now click on the publish option to publish it. So that's how to create a shop on Big Cartel.